Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can clear a chat in Zangi Messenger. In order to do so, let's check in with Cider AI. According to Cider, clearing a chat in Zangi Messenger is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. Launch the Zangi app on your device and log in if necessary. Navigate to the chat you want to clear. There can be a one-on-one chat or a group chat. Tap on the chat name or profile picture at the top of the conversation screen to open up the chat settings. Look for an option labeled Clear Chat or something similar in the settings menu. Tap on this option. You may be prompted to confirm your action. If so, confirm that you want to clear the chat. This action will usually remove all messages from the chat history but may keep future messages intact. Clearing a chat removes the messages from your device but does not delete the chat from the other person's device. If you want to completely remove the chat, look for a delete chat option. If you have important information in your chat, consider taking screenshots or saving important messages before clearing the chat. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our Linktree, and you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on the link to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.